In the last video, we have added an up bar to our scaffold, and as we can see, its background color is set to indigo, which is the main color of our app. However, we have not actually specified the color in the up bar itself. So where does this come from? So up bar is one of many widgets in Flutter which inherit some of their configuration from somewhere else. So if we go back to our main file, we can examine the primary swatch of our app, and we can see that it uses the indigo color. So at this stage, you might guess that if we change this, for example, to brown and reload the app, then the app bar changes. And so this is exactly what happens. So for now, we're not going to investigate much in detail about how this works exactly, but just so you know, some widgets have the ability to load some of their properties directly from their ancestors. And in particular, this ThemeData object that we have created defines a lot of visual properties. We can find this out if we tap through to reveal the documentation, and here we find a long list of properties that are available for us to set up. In addition, all these properties are defined with some specific default values, and we can see them all over here. So for now, the most important thing to know is that some widgets will inherit some of their visual properties from ThemeData. Whenever you ask yourself, where does a certain color or text style come from, it is likely that it is defined inside the ThemeData object that you pass to the material app over here. And this has a lot of properties that are set by default. Okay, so we can restore the primary swatch back to indigo, save, and also get back to the sign-in page. And before we move on, I want to talk a little bit more about app bar, and I'll do that in the next video.